Today, in the Bite Me More kitchen, we are stuffing it. Yep, we're stuffing our favorite fruit. It's a fruit, not a vegetable. Avocados, baby. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. 4 grams of protein per avocado, 10 grams of fiber.
Okay, so we're gonna start stuffing. Anything that goes with avocado can be stuffed in an avocado. We're gonna start with a chicken salad.
Okay.
And I'm gonna have you start by making the dressing. So you have, just keep stirring, don't worry about what's in it. You have mayonnaise and sour cream.
Yeah.
And to that, we're gonna add some mango chutney.
Ooh, mango chutney adds a dash of sweetness.
And spice. And then we're gonna add curry powder.
Yes.
Honey, salt, lime juice, and lime zest. So that's gonna be our sauce for our chicken salad. We have some cut up chicken, and we're gonna add some mango. I think you'll be happy with your lunch today. Apples, and add grapes, and celery. So I'm gonna stir this up, and then you're gonna add some of the dressing to it, and then we're gonna stuff our avocado.
And guys, if you have avocados that are rock hard, like this one, put it next to an apple or a banana.
Yeah, the bananas ripen it really quickly. So we have an avocado here. Sometimes the pits are big, and sometimes they're really small, and you don't have any space to stuff. So you just take a spoon and you can just scoop out a little bit of the avocado so you have a nice little spot, and you can put the avocado into your salad and add it in.
Did you know?
Oh, here we go with the did you know.
Did you know that an avocado
is
the size of a 16-week-old baby? I'm gonna have an avocado baby.
Is there something you want to tell me at this stage of your life?
Baby crying.
Oh, okay. Let's just stuff the avocado. You can do taco stuffed avocados. It's a way to not use the shell. What's the matter there? Oh, you did such a good job.
It's Lily approved. Stamp.
We're gonna finish it with some chopped roasted cashews. So another way is tomatoes, bocconcini, basil, and then you can just finish with a drizzle of
like
balsamic.
a caprese. Okay guys, well there you have it. How to have your avocado and eat it too. If you can stuff it, you can eat it. That's what Lisa said.
That was not my quote.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you like what you see, give us the old thumbs up and subscribe to our videos, and go to bitememore.com for more scrumdiddlydumptious avocado treats.
You actually really did a good job. Like, I was happy.
I like the actually qualifier there.
I know, because you made it look like really filled and...
It is. There we go. Great. Bon appetit.